Hello guys, welcome back with the extra Sudokus in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, March the 29th, 2021. We have three Sudokus or puzzles left. The 3 stars Sudoku I have solved. I will start in a few seconds with the 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic and a binary puzzle. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be number 2549. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Alright, I have already counted 24. So, let's get started. I see here in this first column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Alright. And now. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last row. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So those 2 boxes are left for the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then, how about 3 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 8 is missing in the last row. We see here the 8 and the 9 in this column. So no 8 and the 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the last row for the number 1. Alright. And now. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then. Then, let me see. Yeah. We have a 9 here. So this box cannot be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be an 8. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then. How about we have a pair in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in this column. So no 1 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and an 8 in this row. So no 1 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and an 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So what are the other three numbers in this big square? Should be the 5, should be the 6, and should be the 2. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8, 8. Okay. Okay. How about the 9 in this column? The 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only three places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. We have a pair. We have a 1 and a 4 in the first column, the 1 and the 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the 1 and the 4 goes in these two boxes, 1 and the 4. We see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only three places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8s in those two boxes. One box left for the 8, should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Then. How about these 3 I've mentioned earlier? Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. That means one box left in this big square should be the 7. This big square, the 7. 2, 3, 6. Okay, so one digit left, the 7. Okay. And now. 7 in the first column. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Alright. Then. 3, 3. Okay. How about the number? Yeah. 6, 5, 2. Okay, 3, 6, 8. Okay. Let me think. Let me think. 2, 3, 6. 6 should be there. 4. Yeah. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. All right. 6, 6, 6, 6. 8, 9, 1, 1, 5, 5. 2, 2. I'm missing the 2. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Should be there. All right. Let me think. One, 5, 6. Yeah, 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We have another 5 here in this column, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 6, 1, 6, 2. I need a 2. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Okay. 5, 5. 2, 2, 2. And 6. Complicated. 3, 6, and 8. Wow. How about these 2 numbers in this row? We have a 1 and an 8. So the other 2 boxes should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. No 7 and a 5. I cannot place this yet. 3, 6, 2. 3, 6, 2. Well. We have a 7 in this third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Here we have 1 and 8. These 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be in 8. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. All right. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the numbers 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. And that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. All right, one box left in this row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright, one number left in the last column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. How about those 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3? We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. One number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 5. Alright, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2. No, yeah, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Yes. And is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No, I rather think this is a 1 or a 2-star Sudoku. 1 or 2. Yes. But I like this one. I like this one. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and I will see you in 2 minutes or 3 minutes with the other 2 Sudokus or puzzles, tectonic and the binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.